Why? Just why? Let me show you something. I can even make the 200 one. What is this? That is a 3. That is a 5. 350. 4. But that doesn't matter. I know how I do and a half. So right now I would have to make. Well, right now I have this many play buttons. So for 50, 100, and 150. And look, just go for that. It's 350 if you just raise 4. I have to get it to work quick. So this means I need more play buttons. Okay, 4, maybe 3. I don't know. Should be 2 if I just did hundreds, but no. I mean, I did need lots of cardboard. Like always, we need our materials. So, first, scissors. Scissors. What else do I need? Tape. Pencil. Colors. Do that. Another book. Subscribe to him. I was just watching him. Where am I? I'll put that in my bookshelf. Actually, I'm gonna upgrade my scissors. I just didn't find these. Alright. I have to make 4 play buttons. I think I'm gonna only make 2. Let me text Ryan. I see some. I'll text Ryan in. Or call him. I'm calling. So my plans are to split this at least 4 or 2 videos. Because I just have to do all this. So, the game plan. First, watch YouTube. I'm gonna be bored in silence. Cutting cardboard, placing it together, make 1, 2. And if I do that quickly, probably not, because it's gonna be a time lapse. I do the other 2. But I think Ronan's gonna do that if he comes over, or he does it by himself. But he's usually busy, so you guys are probably gonna like him if he comes. So I should probably leave you 2. Alright, I'm gonna do this now. Time lapse. So I'm pretty much just working on this, and yeah, so this is pretty cool. I know you guys can hear me in this lapse, but yeah, so we're taking forever. I know you guys can barely hear my voice when I'm doing like these clips, like because my microphone was so far away from me. Well, I'm done. Not yet. I just have to add the name. I use blue tape, so gotta use the blue marker so I don't mess up. I'm going to write down everything I would do. Oh, I'm not done yet. I'm kind of going for like a blue thing, if you know, like, who'd have thought blue? Even though this wall is blue, pillow, my bed sheet is blue, and it's the other tape. Oh. Now I'm thinking I should put a whole blue background to that. This might not be my favorite one, but I don't know. I'll do that.
Time I'd seen a brony
More compliments I did. You said that to me? Or 151 reason. It's the last tape on the back because it's on there just like that. So presented to Mr. King and Ronan for passing 200 subscribers off the screen. Maybe I should fix that. Let's do this Sharpie. Gotta be very precise, can't mess up. Because this is gonna be on the internet in front of 200, 330 something people. 300 something people. Presented to Mr. King and Ronan for passing 200 subscribers. I mean, I can't change anything now if I try to change anything. I'm gonna do an outline to this. We're done, but I'm adding some more. I'll do that. That doesn't ever work. Alright, I'm done. It's not that big. I mean, I usually make mine the same size, but... So, yeah. Good thing we have enough to make a second one. I'm gonna go do that. 250. Time to do my 250. And if I find more cardboard, I am doing 300. Don't subscribe. Can't believe I'm saying no. Just like keep subscribing. All right, let's do this. Time to put the name on. I went for like the YouTube logo. Doesn't this look like it's like light lit up? I'm just watching the camera and it looks like it is. Try to go for the YouTube logo. You guys are paying attention. And Buster got the glasses. Put that on inspiration. We used the 150 for the 250 one. Yeah, that's a great idea. 100 more and then slimmer. I made this way slimmer. It's like the first one. Look how slim this is. And look at this one. Yeah. So presented to Mr. King and Ronan for passing 250 subscribers. No. I'm looking back on this one. Where's my microphone? I'm looking back on this one. Oh, good thing. I put subscribers instead of subscriber. I think I put subscriber on every one of them. Can't believe I'm just now catching that. Subscribers. Well, thanks for. Don't forget like and subscribe. Oh. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You probably can't if you read this, but you can maybe read that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, I mean, we'll be late. So, how many subscribers are we at this moment? But that what? No. There's no way we lost 2 more subscribers, dude. I'm driving in my car after I got there. 200. No, we're still at 300. We're at 354. This is only 200 and 250. Ronan was supposed to make 250, but then be at 300. So then we have to make a play button about that. And then 350. I gotta make a play button of that. So I'm gonna make 4 play buttons. I don't have enough cardboard. Actually, I do. But that's next time. tomorrow is Friday. I make it the day after your homework. But I have a basketball game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna make the thumbnail, do all that stuff, edit my videos, and yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And, I'm saying the same things over and over. Hopefully this is not a 20-minute video like last time. Draw it in my... Bye.